Today is the deadline to file your federal tax return. This is KOAM News at 6. With all the changes from the IRS regarding tax returns this year, KOAM's Chris Warner spoke with a local tax professional on what you need to know.
For many, tax season is not the most wonderful time of the year. With the pandemic, it's made things more confusing for some, especially those who were on unemployment, who may have never been on unemployment in their lives. Those questions are where tax professionals like Cheryl Gorman come in to try and provide answers.
March 15th, with the new guidelines that came out, with the new package, the first $10,200 of unemployment is not considered taxable income. Now, the Internal Revenue Service is going to fix that on a federal level. On a state level, we haven't heard that any state is fixing it automatically.
That means Gorman and her fellow tax preparers will have to go back through and contact anyone who filed their return prior to March 15th so they can make adjustments at the state level. Another issue coming up, the nearly 31 million people who have already filed still waiting on their refund. Gorman says those returns have entered the IRS's ERS, or Error Resolution Service.
What it means is there's something on that return that the Internal Revenue Service wants to have human eyes look at. They're in review. It doesn't mean that your preparer's made an error. It doesn't mean that you've done anything wrong. It just means that it's gotten snagged.
Gorman says she wants to remind people that the stimulus payments are not taxable income, but must still be accounted for.
Stimulus payments do have to be reconciled on your tax return. So if you added a child and you didn't get that stimulus money, this is where we would enter that you didn't get it, enter the new dependents information. That would generate that stimulus coming to you.
Gorman says Monday is also the last day to file for an extension without being penalized by the IRS. In Webb City, Chris Warner, KOAM News.
Many people also have questions about the advanced child tax credit payments, which the IRS announced today would be starting in July. Gorman says they're waiting on more guidance from the IRS. We have more information about the IRS announcement on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.